Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Diana. Renowned as Roman goddess of strength, personal sovereignty, and wilderness. Part 1. Significance of Goddess Diana. What does Diana represent in mythology? Diana, the enchanting goddess of the Roman pantheon, emerges from the depths of the forest with an aura of mysticy and wild grace. With her untamed spirit and connection to the natural world, she embodies the untamed wilderness and the moonlit realms. Diana, the radiant huntress, stands as a symbol of independence, nature, and the feminine divine. Diana is often depicted as a youthful and ethereal figure, adorned in a flowing robe and crowned with a crescent moon. This deity is also associated with the moon, symbolizing the cyclic nature of life and the transformative power of the lunar phases. She embodies the feminine aspects of divinity, celebrating the nurturing, intuitive, and fierce qualities that exist within every woman. Part 2, Archetypal qualities of Diana. Unleashing the magic, Goddess Diana's path to freedom, wilderness, and intuition. Goddess Diana encompasses a rich variety of archetypal qualities that resonate deeply within the human psyche. As the embodiment of independence, she personifies the spirit of self-reliance and the relentless pursuit of personal freedom. Diana's connection to the wilderness is profound, as she stands as a bridge between humanity and the untamed aspects of nature. She represents the primal forces and creatures of the wild, reminding us of the innate power and vitality found in the natural world. As a protector, Diana's nurturing presence extends to wildlife and the environment, advocating for their preservation and harmony. Her essence embodies the intuition that resides within each of us, serving as a guiding light on our path. Diana's association with the moon symbolizes the cycles of life, reflecting its mysterious energy and evoking the depths of feminine power. In her archetype, we find an invitation to embrace our own independence, connect with the wilderness within and around us, honor our intuition, and harness the transformative energy of the lunar realm. Part 3. Symbols associated with Goddess Diana. Mystical emblems of Diana. An exploration of symbols and significance. Goddess Diana, surrounded by her array of symbols, plants, and animals, captivates our imaginations and beckons us to delve into her mystical realm. The bow and arrow, held with grace and precision, embody her independent spirit and relentless pursuit of personal freedom. The crescent moon, with its gentle glow, symbolizes her intuitive wisdom and connection to the cycles of life. In the depths of the wilderness, she roams alongside the majestic stag, embodying the untamed forces of nature. The oak tree, standing tall and wise, represents her association with ancient groves and the enduring power of the natural world. Torch in hand, she leads with radiant light, guiding seekers through the darkness towards enlightenment. Alongside her, wolves, bears, and snakes embody the primal and instinctual aspects of the wild, emphasizing her role as a protector and guardian of wildlife. Wildflowers like lavender, moonflower, and jasmine honor her connection to nature's beauty and fragrance. Part 4. The story of Goddess Diana. Eternal whisper of the moon. Diana's influence across time and ages. In a realm of ancient gods, there thrived a deity named Diana, renowned as the radiant huntress embodying captivating beauty and untamed grace. Through boundless forests, she traversed, commanding the attention of mortals and immortals alike with her ethereal presence. From birth, Diana bore an intimate bond with the gentle moon's glow. Her hair cascaded like a luminous waterfall, while her eyes shimmered with the mysteries of the night sky. Choosing the path of independence, she dwelled amidst untamed wilderness, nurturing a profound affinity for the creatures that roamed the earth. Unmatched in her skill with the bow and arrow, Diana glided through dense woods with the grace of a deer, her aim steadfast and true. Her arrows found their mark, providing sustenance for both herself and fellow beings. She embodied not merely a huntress, but a guardian of the wild, ensuring harmony between nature and its inhabitants. Within the mortal realm, Diana commanded reverence as a symbol of independence, strength, and intuition. Seekers of wisdom turned to her when faced with adversity, trusting her guidance to illuminate their paths. With a simple gesture, she could calm tempestuous storms and bring solace to troubled hearts. Wherever she ventured, peace and harmony followed in her wake. Diana possessed a special affinity for women, celebrating their inherent power and unyielding spirit. She urged them to embrace independence, follow their instincts, and recognize their connection to the cycles of life, mirroring the waxing and waning of the moon. Women sought solace in her embrace, finding the courage to stand tall and claim their rightful place in the world. Legends wove tales of Diana's wild and enchanting nature. She danced beneath the moonlight, her laughter resonating through the forest, captivating all who heard it. Alongside her roamed loyal companions, wolves, traversing the depths of the wilderness together. In harmony, they embodied primal instincts that dwelled within. Diana's legacy transcended time, inspiring generations to embrace inner strength and forge connections with the natural world. Her story remains a testament to the power of independence, intuition, and the profound beauty discovered within the untamed facets of existence. Even now, as the moon's ethereal glow bathes the earth, Diana's spirit whispers through the wind, guiding those who seek her wisdom. Part 5. 3 strategies for personal transformation. Tapping into the power of the Diana archetype. Strategy 1. Shifting of beliefs. Inspired by Diana's role as a protector, we can draw upon quantum physics concepts to transform our belief systems. Quantum physics suggests that at the subatomic level, our thoughts and intentions have a direct influence on reality. Recognize that your beliefs shape your perception of the world and can limit or expand your potential. Intentionally shift limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Engage in practices like energy healing, meditation, or quantum visualization to align your energy and create a quantum leap in your personal transformation. Strategy 2. Connecting with the wilderness and nature. Diana, the Roman goddess of the hunt and wild animals, is closely associated with the natural world. Spend time outdoors in natural settings, such as forests, mountains, or lakes, and engage in activities that deepen your connection with the earth. Practice mindful observation of the flora and fauna around you, cultivating a sense of reverence and appreciation for the natural world. Strategy 3. Nurturing sisterhood and community. Diana is often revered as a protector of women and a symbol of sisterhood. Seek connections with like-minded individuals who share similar goals and values. Engage in supportive communities or women's circles where you can share experiences, support one another, and foster personal growth. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Find a quiet and serene location, indoors or outdoors, where you can connect with the energy of nature. 2. Decorate a small altar with items that symbolize the qualities of Goddess Diana, such as lunar symbols, animal figurines, wildflowers, and a representation of the moon. 3. Take deep breaths, close your eyes, and visualize roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the earth. 4. Speak to Goddess Diana from your heart, expressing your intentions and inviting her energy to guide and bless your ritual. 5. Reflect on personal independence. Take a moment to contemplate what independence means to you and how you can embrace it in your life. 6. Nature immersion. Step outside or bring natural elements indoors. Close your eyes and take in the sounds, scents, and sensations of nature. Feel your connection to the wild and untamed aspects of the world around you. 7. Animal spirit guidance. Choose an animal figurine that represents the primal forces and creatures of the wilderness. Hold it in your hands and meditate on its energy. Ask for guidance and wisdom in aligning with the untamed aspects of your own being. 8. Express gratitude. Thank Goddess Diana for her presence and guidance throughout the ritual. 9. Take a few deep breaths, envisioning the roots from your feet, retracting into the earth, grounding you in the present moment. 10. Remember to adapt this ritual to suit your personal preferences and beliefs. It is a sacred and personal practice that can be customized to resonate with your unique spiritual journey. A final message, words of wisdom from Diana. Independence is not found in the abandonment of others, but in the awakening of your own strength. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.